Hello viewers, welcome to today's video. Looking to upgrade your cradle? Check out this modern wooden cradle design, the perfect blend of style and functionality. A wooden cradle is a timeless and traditional piece of furniture designed for newborns and infants to sleep in. Crafted primarily from sturdy and durable wooden like teak, oak, or shisham, these cradles offer both safety and elegance. Their classic design often includes gently curved legs that allow for a smooth rocking motion, helping to soothe and lull babies to sleep. Most wooden cradles feature side rails with proper spacing to ensure ventilation and security, while some come with locking mechanisms to stop the rocking when needed. Many designs include a canopy or mosquito net for added protection. The surface is usually polished with non-toxic finishes, ensuring it's safe for babies. Modern wooden cradle design combine functionality with style, offering storage drawers underneath, detachable features for easy movement, and foldable options for compact spaces. Some also come with wheels for mobility and adjustable height levels for convenience. Wooden cradles are not just practical, they often become cherished family heirlooms passed down through generations. When choosing one, it's important to check for smooth edges, firm joints, and overall sturdiness. With proper care, a wooden cradle can be a safe, beautiful, and long lasting sleeping space for your baby.